Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Angel, mom of two. Tonight we're gonna do a movie night in celebration of his birthday this week. He loves movie nights. So I decided to share this night with you guys, show you how we do it, how we prepare food, and have fun at the same time. So sit back, hope you enjoy. If you want links, make sure to check the description box or the comments and enjoy. So my husband loves popcorn with extra butter, so that's for him. So this is my husband's plate, but of course I had to taste test, and it's delicious. Loading this now with some of his favorite snacks. Well, Sour Patches, some sweets on here. So yeah, everybody gets their own plates. We've been using these plate cup combos for a while now. We really like them. It can hold a lot of food and it can hold the drink, so you don't have to have a table. The drink fits right in the center, and all this can go in the dishwasher as well. Now that the husband's plate is done, time to move on to Ace plate. And I'm loading this with some of his favorites. He loves fruit, you guys. Yes, he really does. This is like his favorite foods, the strawberries. So we're giving him some of his favorite fruits. He doesn't eat popcorn, so he does chips, and giving him some gummies too as well. Now, normally we do slightly more healthier chips, but tonight is his free night. So it's his movie night, it's his birthday week, so it's all about letting him enjoy his night. Y'all, so this is the funniest thing. So I filled his tumbler with apple juice, which usually is his fun drink, that we let him drink occasionally. But watch what happens at the end. Y'all have to watch this because you won't believe me if I tell you this. You have to watch. Okay, so now moving on to my plate, I'm doing nachos. So I got my chips, some cheese, some salsa, some jalapenos, and then I'm gonna add some sweets to my plate as well. Love the Valentine's Day cake in honor of Valentine's Day. And these Hershey Zero Candies are actually really good now. And I'm a huge fan of Olipop drinks, especially the grape. That's one of my favorites. And no, purple is not my favorite color. It just kind of happened to turn out that way with my purple drink and cup and plate. Now that all our plates are ready, it's time to have our movie night. So we're gonna grab Ace, and you guys get to see real time how our night is gonna go. Hey, so we can have a movie night. Yeah.
Daddy, strawberry, and blackberry.
Yeah.
I want the food.
All your favorite foods.
I want it.
You love it?
Daddy, I just put the money for now.
Okay.
I want for the money.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
It's for me.
for you. What you say? You're welcome.
Blackberry.
Blackberries, chips,
Daddy,
gummies,
strawberry.
strawberries, all your favorites.
I want it.
Apple juice.
I don't want.
You don't want apple juice?
No. I want water.
You want water? All right, well, I'll put it in. You sure you don't want apple juice? Okay. Doggone trouble. our magic school bus. You see that?
I want to do it to Medici.
He said he want to see the magic school bus, Daddy.
Okay.
Secure.
This is why I like to movie. Dada. I want to Medici.
Okay. What you watching? Okay.